How to import contacts from Horde. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged in to Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to import our contacts from Horde. Go to Address Book, then click the Address Book submenu. This is the address book. As you can see here, it has no contacts and is currently empty. Let's go ahead and add contacts. Click the Import/Export option. On this page, we can import contacts. We have the option to change the format of the files we are importing, but for now, let's leave the default. Click the Choose File button. Locate the file on your computer you wish to import, then click Open. Click the Next button. You can change the options on this page, but the defaults are recommended. Click Next again. This page shows the fields that match in our imported file with Horde's contact system. In this case, every field matches. Click Next. That's it. Our contacts have been successfully imported. Click the Browse option. You can see the contacts we just imported here. You can edit or delete any of the contacts. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to import contacts into Horde.